So you've made the post and people want to answer your dream client survey questions. So what's next? It's time to get the answers. Let's get the answers to those questions, people. I'm Shannon with Shannon Strategy. I'm a digital marketing consultant and coach who teaches you how to grow your business using simple digital marketing strategies that get you results and save time. And I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've been in the online marketing space for that long, 22 years, and I'd love to help you make an impact in your business. So it's time to get answers. Here are 3 ways to get answers to those questions that people want to answer. The first is make a survey in either Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. If there is a better tool out there for this, drop it in the comment section. But these are the 2 that I use and that my clients absolutely love. So here are the 3 ways you're going to, after you develop your survey, ask the questions. So you're going to go back to all those posts and message everybody who responded. All right. First thing I'll say is when you do make the posts on social media, if you can save them using like the save button on Facebook, if you use Facebook, do that. And then if you left in the direct messages on Instagram, if you message people and people message you and said they wanted to answer your survey, make sure you flag them in the back end of Instagram. All right. So you'll want to save those posts so you can go back to them after. So you'll go back to your posts and message everybody who responded. Just know not everybody will respond. So if your goal is to get 10 people to answer your survey, ask 20. And remember that bonus tip, offer an incentive for them in there for taking the time. So for me, I like to give people, if they give me their time, I'll give them a 15-minute session with me for free. If you're feeling brave, and this is something that I do, make a goal to talk to 10 people on Zoom or in person. Now, in person's tricky right now, but here's a bonus tip. If you cannot meet in person for coffee, you get them on Zoom, send them a gift card to Starbucks or a local coffee shop after, thanking them. Somebody did this with me and it was amazing, guys. And this is what I do. I do a combination of both. I'll get 20 people to answer the survey, and then I will meet with 10 of those people to one-on-one on Zoom and ask them even more in-depth questions. And then they get to their 15 minutes with me right there, then on the spot. So it is action step time. Reach out to those people and get their answers. So your next step, go to those posts, those stories, those videos, whatever floated your boat, and make sure that we're going to talk more about over the next couple weeks, like really getting into what to do next once you get the answers and where you should take this data. So we're diving over the next several weeks into the nitty-gritty of talking to your dream clients. Then we're going to have a 3-day challenge in September, the 16th, 17th, and 18th, on building relationships online, basically becoming less overwhelmed with knowing which Zoom meetings to go to or where to hang out online. In the Simplify Squad Facebook group, we will be doing those trainings. And if you're watching this replay and you're not in the Simplified Facebook group, join us at the link below. This Facebook group offers trainings, live coaching, and weekly marketing tips. I pop in and give little nuggets now and then. To learn more about working with me, visit shannonleestrategy.com. I offer one-on-one digital marketing coaching to teach you simple strategies to save you time. I also have group coaching launching October 1st. I only have 20 spots. I'm going to have a wall with the sticky notes. You want to get your name on it? Contact me now. I already have several people that I've been talking to, but there's only 20 spots this time. And this is the last time that I'm going to be offering the unlimited access. So 2020 will be the last time you'll get the unlimited access. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.